Heard of losing money in financial markets like Forex and crypto? Want to design a simple, effective strategy with just 2 indicators? Look no further. Head to TradingView, where we'll teach you a free, easy strategy using the MA pullback indicator. Just add it to your chart. Optimize a few settings. And you're good to go. Oh, and make sure you watch until the end, because I'll be sharing the back and forward testings on various pairs and timeframes with the results. The second indicator in our strategy is the RMI Trend Sniper. Let's add it to the chart and fine-tune the settings. We'd like to invite you to support the Income Nomad channel. If you're finding our strategies helpful, please consider liking our videos and subscribing to our channel. This way, more people can benefit from our content and you won't miss any new videos or strategies. With both indicators in place, let's dive into the details of entering a long trade, managing risk, and securing rewards. We'll outline these steps in a simple, straightforward manner so you can apply this strategy confidently in your trading journey. First, identify a buy signal on the chart. These signals suggest a potential opportunity for a successful long trade. Next, confirm that the market is in an uptrend by checking 2 conditions. The signal candle must be green, and the signal candle's closing price should be above the blue line of the RMI Trend Sniper indicator. Once we verify the buy signal and the uptrend, we can confidently enter a long trade, anticipating that the price will rise. To protect our trade, we'll set a stop loss, which is a predetermined point at which we'll close the trade if the market moves against us. Use the recent swing low as a reference for placing your stop loss. Finally, we'll determine the target price for closing the trade and taking profits. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1:1 or 2:1. For a short trade, begin by looking for a sell signal from the RMI Trend Sniper indicator on the chart. Next, examine the market to confirm a downtrend by ensuring that the signal candle is red and the closing price is below the red line of the RMI Trend Sniper indicator. Once the sell signal and downtrend are validated, we can confidently enter a short position. To protect your trade, set a stop loss using either the RMI Trend Sniper indicator or the recent swing high of the market. When it's time to close the trade and secure your profits, aim for a target that's 1.5 times the risk of the trade, ensuring a balanced risk-reward ratio.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedNext account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedNext, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next.
As promised, let's go through back and forward testing this amazing and powerful strategy on Bitcoin 15-minute, Euro against US dollar 1 to 5-minute, and also on gold 1-hour charts. Shortly after, I'll share the results with you. Well, the results are just outstanding. By no means I want to tell that the real-time outcome will be the same because you need to control your emotions as well as considering spreads and fees. But this is just a glimpse of what this strategy is capable of. But if you're looking to multiply your trading progress in the market, be sure to watch these videos as your next step.